check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
It's still afternoon and an interesting thing has happened. It doesn't usually happens in the tropical region, that the sun is faded. And this is probably because of the cyclone that is approaching towards the western coast of India. Look at this nasty weather, oh my god. Crazy weather, isn't it? Okay, so this is a song making session of the song of a recent Kohli song that we are making. So here is my friend Pratik, he is also a guitarist. He will assist us for accompanying. Let's see. This is day 3 by the way, and it's getting worse day by day. It's because of the storm, the cyclone Taute, which is approaching near the coasts of Mumbai, and that's the reason why the climate is like this. And it's raining. It's raining cats and dogs, as they say in America. My god, this is not usually what we see in the tropical region, guys. We live in tropical region. If you are familiar with the climatic conditions, this is not what happens in the middle of summer. This is right. We are right in the middle of summer season. This is what we are getting. Unexpected, nasty climate. Unexpected, nasty climate. What can we say? So he's Phillips. He usually comes here to eat our food, but today, because it's raining and he has nowhere to go because his house is there on that tree and it's apparently hit by a storm, so he's with us now. Don't worry, bro, we'll all get over.
धीमी धीमी हवाएं चल रही है और हल्की हल्की सी फिजा, धुंधली धुंधली सी याद आ रही है मेरे पहले प्यार की सजा। वो बातें अनकही सी बाकी रह गई है उन हसी नजारों में। कैसा हो सके तो मैं भी लौट जाऊं फिर से मेरे यारों में। उन यारों में मिलोगे अगर कहीं पे मुझको तो एक बार कह दो ना कि तुम हो मेरे, कि तुम